Hi, I'm Dana Terrell, LCSW, and I am eager to help you understand how to stand up for yourself and set healthy boundaries. This is a topic I love so much that I've spent over 15 years researching it, how to help people. Have you tried to set healthy boundaries before, but ended up feeling frustrated about it? It seems like it should be simple, right? But it's not. In fact, this is a skill that emotionally mature people have gained through their lives. Yes, some of them have had some good examples to turn to learn from, but many of them have just worked individually or with help to gain these skills. And by now, they feel competent, they feel calm, and they feel like they can reliably stand up for themselves. They've learned from experience that when they set clear boundaries, they end up feeling calm, strong, and competent. And they gain the reward of some respect and cooperation from others. Unfortunately, emotionally mature people are not plentiful, so we don't have a lot of opportunity to learn from example. But we can become the example. And I would love to help you do that. He learned by observing emotionally mature people in his research and also in his life. He observed that they had quite a number of skills for interacting with people, but the unique skill that they had, he called the ability to take an I position. What Bowen meant by this is that you speak clearly for yourself based on your values, your observations about the situation you're dealing with, and your feelings and opinions. So this is not a quickie solution people come up with. It takes some reflection, some introspection. Let's face it, it takes some time. But it's worth the investment because you end up being able to say something that really fits for you. And you can speak it with a little extra power because of that, or a little extra authenticity. So, another question is, what are healthy boundaries? This issue is closely related to standing up for yourself. Is there someone in your family or workplace or community who pushes your boundaries? If so, your first clue is how you feel about their behavior. And secondly, ask yourself, what am I wanting? What would work more acceptably for me? And try to spell that out. This is a positive approach to boundary setting. When people hear what you want, it is much easier for them to comply or cooperate. And when they hear what you don't like, they tend to get anxious. And then when they're anxious, they tend to get confused and maybe get argumentative. But if you're clear about what you want and ask them, do you understand? Do you think that's possible for you to do that? This way, it's more of a give and take, and it tends to be more successful. Want to learn more? Please come to the 2-day intensive workshop on this topic. You will find that it combines the knowledge of Bowen with the powerful therapy technique of EMDR. We will use EMDR to clear 6 experiences related to standing up for yourself, setting boundaries, over a lifetime, we usually have a few of those experiences. And EMDR is beautiful at helping to clear that so we can leave that in the past and leave the negative expectations we may have built up based on the past. And then after each clearing, we will focus on a new aspect of how to stand up for yourself, kind of a sub-skill. I'll be teaching 6 sub-skills of standing up for yourself. So I invite you to come. I hope you do. I look forward to helping you begin to set the example for others.